How much is a Hisense LED backlight TV? Hisense LED backlight TVs are popular for their affordability and quality display. The price of these TVs depends on the model series, screen size, and additional features like 4K resolution, smart TV functionality, and HDR support. 1. Price range of Hisense LED backlight TVs. The cost of a Hisense LED backlight TV varies based on the model and size. 32 to 43-inch models typically range from $150 to $300 55-inch models, usually priced between $250 to $500. 60 to 65-inch models can be found between $400 to $800. 70-inch models and larger generally range from $600 to $1,200. 2. Different Hisense TV models and their pricing. Hisense offers a range of LED backlight TVs in different series. A 4 series, entry-level models offering HD and 4K resolution, usually priced between $150 to $400. U6 series, mid-range models with improved picture quality and smart features, priced between $300 to $600. U8 series, higher-end models with advanced features like full-array local dimming, priced from $600 to $1,200. Laser TV and ULED series, premium models offering advanced technology for superior picture quality, often priced above $1,200. 3. Features that influence the price. The price of a Hisense LED backlight TV depends on screen size. Larger screens naturally come with higher prices. Resolution. 4K UHD models cost more than HD models. Smart features. TVs with built-in apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and voice assistants add to the price. HDR. Support models with enhanced contrast and color capabilities like Dolby Vision and HDR 10 Plus are priced higher. 4. Where to buy a Hisense LED backlight TV. Hisense LED TVs are available at major electronics retailers, department stores, and online marketplaces. Prices can vary depending on store promotions and stock levels. 5. Best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Hisense LED backlight TV, consider purchasing during holiday sales. Sales events such as Black Friday and Cyber Monday often feature significant discounts. Clearance sales. Older models may be discounted when newer versions are released. Promotional offers. Retailers often offer discounts or bundled deals that include accessories. Hisense LED backlight TVs provide a great value with a variety of models to suit different budgets. By comparing series, screen sizes, and looking for sales, you can find a model that meets your needs at a competitive price.